Hello there. Thanks for joining us as we return to Satara and Berg-en-dal for the last few days of our 30-day Kruger adventure. As we leave Punda and the north behind, we say farewell to the Mopani vegetation and the majestic baobabs that characterize this part of the park. On this beautiful day, it's lovely to stop off and gaze at the Olifants River, which was not possible due to the rain we had when we were heading up this way. We've come across this group of vultures at a waterhole, and it reminds us that one should never just assume that they're all the same kind of bird. Here we find two lappet-faced vultures amongst the white-back vultures. These birds are highly endangered due to habitat loss, poisoning, and persecution. Lappet-faced vultures have powerful beaks and immense strength, allowing them to tear through hides and large bones that other scavengers cannot access. This unique ability gives them a crucial role in the ecosystem, as they leave behind smaller pieces of the carcass for other scavengers, aiding in the natural recycling process. As revolting as they may look and behave, vultures play a critical role in nature by helping prevent the spread of disease through cleaning up dead animals. It's great to be back at Satara. I think I've mentioned before that this is our favorite camp in Kruger National Park. Before I forget, I want to show you the chalets at Satara. They're arranged in a charming circular layout nestled amid lush park-like grounds. These are a wonderful alternative if you don't want to camp. We stayed in a chalet on a birding weekend once and had an amazing sighting of this honey badger that was well known in the camp. He came and raided our neighbour's fridge, which was situated on the veranda of the chalet. These are extremely dangerous animals, and it's best to keep well away from them. You can see how aggressive he got when confronted by people in the camp. We've only got one day in the Satara area this time, so this is the route that we'll be taking for our game drive today. We're heading to the S90 north of Satara, where we've heard about the breeding grounds of red-billed Queleas. At this time of the year, the birds feast on the seeds of the tall grass, swirling and flying in flocks tens of thousands strong. It's an amazing sight to see. The bushes around here are laden with nests, and the Quelea hatchlings are easy pickings for the eagles and storks that have gathered here in large numbers. If you want to see birds of prey, then this is the place to be at this time of the year. Marabou storks have a definite advantage with their long beaks that can easily reach into the nests. The eagles have to fight through thorns and get quite ruffled up to reach the babies in the nests. We've never come across predation on such a large scale before, and it's really fascinating to watch. Although I must admit we do feel very sorry for the red-billed Queleas that are losing their chicks by the dozen. If you'd like to learn more about this, do watch the video that we made about this sighting. I'll put a link to it at the end of this video for you. We've stopped off at the Sweni hide, which is always good for seeing animals and water birds. The average Egyptian goose lays between 5 to 15 eggs, which all tend to hatch around the same time, even if they were laid over a few days. This synchronized hatching helps the goslings emerge as a group, making them much easier to protect. It's worth spending a bit of time on this section of the Sweni River, as there's always some animal or bird activity happening here. This croc has seen the elephant action and is slowly making his way towards them. I'm not sure if he's any threat to them though. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe down below. Thank you. We're back on the H6 and have come across this lone lioness. We're in a good position to watch her as she settles down under this tree for a bit of shade. Here's another lioness coming to join her. This could be interesting. It looks like there could be a few more lions in this group. As more and more lions join them, I don't think we could have anticipated a sighting like this in our wildest dreams. What a treat! Lions are remarkably affectionate animals with very strong bonds. They frequently engage in physical contact to strengthen connections, and this affection is shown through grooming each other, rubbing heads, and playfully nudging. It's lovely to watch this tenderness in the wild. The large tufts on a lion's elbows are known as elbow brushes, and they help to protect the joints and act as cushions or shields when the lion is walking, lying down, or fighting with other males. There must be quite a few mommies in this group, because the cubs are all different ages. They haven't stayed for long, and these females have decided that it's time to move on. And just like that, they're all heading off to their next cool spot. I've counted about 19 lions, but I could have missed a couple. This truly is a huge pride. These two male lions have really been busy building up this pride. Wow, what an incredible sighting that was. As if that lion sighting wasn't enough of a treat, we've come across this leopard on the H13. It's not the most fantastic photographic opportunity, but it's always nice to see a leopard. Tomorrow we head for Berg-en-dal for one more day before going home. Satara has been absolutely amazing on both the up and down part of our journey. These guys must have had a very busy night, because they were happily unaware that they were blocking the road and everyone was waiting to get past them. The zebra on the right looks like he's in a really bad mood. No matter how many you see, baby elephants are always a treat to watch. This little one was still at the suckling stage. A baby elephant suckles for up to 3 to 4 years, though the most intense nursing obviously happens during the first 2 years. Kruger is well known for its enormous herds of buffalo. This one is no exception. They love lying around in water to cool off on a hot day. Our last day in Kruger was mostly spent at the Majulu waterhole, where we saw this amazing sighting of lions at a kill. We did a separate video on this, so I'll include a link to it at the end of this video. It's really worth watching, as it's been one of our most popular videos so far. We hope that you've enjoyed all the birds and animals that featured in our 30-day Kruger Adventure series. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to look out for our epic overland adventure in Botswana with our family. We can't wait to share that with you.